Welcome to this video lecture of Plant Nursery. This is M.Santosh Kumari, lecturer in Botany, Government College for Women Autonomous, Guntur. In this video lecture of Plant Nursery, today you are going to know about the definition and importance of plant nursery. The learning objectives of this topic are to introduce the concept of plant nursery, define plant nursery, to know about the scope of plant nursery, and discuss the importance of plant nursery. Nursery has been a part of agriculture. Nursery, where the plants are propagated, has been a part of agriculture since the beginning. There is always a demand for good quality planting material. The demand for good quality planting material has been increasing over the years in rural as well as urban areas. With this increasing demand, the nursery business has developed into a successful entrepreneurship. Besides promoting sustainable development, nursery is a science as well as an art. It is a science as well as an art of producing, growing and selling of plants. It involves many techniques of developing the planting material. The term nursery is derived from the French word nourrice, which means to take care. So, nursery is the place where the young plants are taken care of. Let us define plant nursery. Plant nursery is a place where plants are raised by seeds or propagated through vegetative means and grown with care until they are transplanted in a permanent desired place or sold out. So, plant nursery is a managed site where planting materials such as seedlings, saplings, cuttings, grafts, etc. are raised, propagated, multiplied and grown under favorable conditions for transplantation at a desired place. So, in the nursery, the saplings are grown to a usable size. So, they are grown with care until they are ready for sale or transplantation. Nursery is a place designed to produce, grow and sell the plants. The main objectives of the plant nursery are to supply good quality saplings for transplantation at a permanent desired place. Another objective is to save time and money for the growers. Next, employment generation. So, a good nursery contributes to the improvement of crop production in addition to creating employment opportunities and also sustainable development because it improves the ecological conditions of the environment also. So the main objectives of plant nursery are to supply good quality saplings, to save time and money for the growers, to provide employment and to improve ecological conditions. Scope of plant nursery. India is second in the production of fruits and vegetables in the world. Our country ranks at first position in the production of banana, mango, lemon, papaya and okra. There is an increasing demand for the planting material in these horticulture crops. Since India is the main producer of these horticulture crops, they require a high amount of planting material to raise these crops. The improvement of crop production, in addition to creating employment opportunities, is also seen with these plant nurseries. The special plantation drives and greening activities to improve the ecological conditions also require the planting material. So, there is a high demand for seedlings for these plantation drives also. Nowadays, nursery products are not restricted to orchards and gardens, but has expanded to wide areas like rooftops of the buildings, factories, hospitals, restaurants, schools, colleges, offices and parks for beautification and landscaping. So, nursery products have a wide scope. Besides this, plant nursery also enhances the aesthetic value of the nature. Nursery management includes all the tasks from the emergence of young plants to transplantation. Even though government agencies and a number of private nurseries are there, there still exists a great potential to meet the ever-growing demand for the planting material. So, the plant nursery has a great scope for developing as a entrepreneur. Nursery and its importance. Raising of seedlings in a nursery is important for various reasons. In nursery, it is possible to grow and maintain a large number of plantlets per unit area. So in a very small area also, we can grow more number of plantlets. Small and expensive hybrid seeds can be raised more effectively due to better care and management. Since the area is very small, better care can be taken of all the plants that are being grown there. So small and expensive hybrid seeds which are very costly and should not be wasted. So these hybrid seeds which are expensive should be raised in the plant nursery so that they can be provided better care and management. When seeds are sown in seed beds, their germination percentage increases and the vigor of the seedlings also improves. So, when compared to the seeds that are germinating in the main field, here in the nursery, the seed germinating percentage will be more. Ornamental gardens and fruit orchards can be grown with minimum care and cost because of these nurseries. Since the saplings are readily available in a usable size, they can be directly planted in the field with minimum care. So the management of the seedlings can be done in a better way with minimum care, cost and maintenance as the nursery area is small. Manipulation of the growing conditions for the plants becomes easy in the nursery. Better and uniform crop growth can be obtained in the main field by selecting vigorous and healthy seedlings. And moreover, uniform growth in the field crop can be attained by selecting seedlings from the nursery with uniform growth. Off-season sowing of seeds becomes possible in the nurseries due to the maintenance of controlled environmental conditions in the protected structures. And this ultimately results in fetching more returns as it also provides income throughout the year. So, off-season sowing of seeds leads to generate income throughout the year. The seed requirement of nursery raised crops is less as compared to direct seed sowing of the same crop due to better management in the nurseries. Nursery saves money and time for the farmer. As in the nursery, planting material is available at the beginning of the planting season. It saves the money and efforts of the farmers to raise the seedlings. That means the farmers need not waste the time in raising the seedlings. Instead, they can utilize the time for preparation of the field. As these seedlings are readily available in the nursery, the farmers can get them from the nursery and directly plant them in the field. So it saves lot of time for the farmers. Sowing of seeds and raising saplings in the nursery allows additional time for the farmer for doing preparatory tillage in the main plot. And also sometimes it allows to prolong the previous crop harvest if it is required. So sowing of seeds and raising of saplings in the nursery allows more time for the farmers for preparation of the plot or the field so that he can gain more yield from that crop. Management of insects, pests, diseases, and weeds is easy in a nursery. Since the area is very small, here the pests can be seen easily. So they can be controlled in a better way, and also the weed management is easy, as well as the nutrients can also be provided in a better way in the nursery. Exotic plants can be introduced in the nurseries. Since these exotic plants cannot withstand the environmental conditions, they can be introduced first into the nurseries where there will be controlled environmental conditions in the protected structures, and these make the exotic plants to get acclimatized to the environmental conditions. Then they can be transplanted into the field. So the exotic plants are first introduced into the nurseries. They are provided better care and management and the suitable environmental conditions, and then they get acclimatized. Then only they can be transplanted into the main field. So, nurseries help us to introduce the exotic plants into our area, and also slow growing plants can be better maintained in the nurseries due to the controlled environmental conditions which can be provided only in the nursery. Improved varieties can be obtained through special techniques of propagation like grafting, budding, etc. So some improved varieties can also be produced through these techniques which are carried out in the nurseries. In nurseries, different grafting techniques are employed to get better varieties. Nursery generates employment for technically skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled labor. That means nurseries generate employment for various sectors of labor. Quality planting material is one of the most important aspects for promoting healthy crop, as the productivity of the crop mainly depends on the quality of the planting material. The planting material that is used must be genuine and of good quality. Then only the yield of the crop will be good. So, supply of true to type quality planting material is the primary responsibility of the nursery. Nurseries are an important source for supplying planting material for fruit, juice, pulp, paper, fuel, and timber industries. These are plant based industries which require the planting material. So, the nurseries supply the planting material to these plant based industries also. Nurseries help in ecological improvement. They help in carbon sequestration. Since plants are the reservoirs for carbon, here in nurseries, which are the sources for plants, carbon assimilation is high and this carbon is absorbed by the plants and enrich the environment with good levels of fresh oxygen. So, nurseries help in improving the ecological conditions. Not only this, nurseries also enhance the aesthetic value of the nature. Nurseries, with their beautiful land cover and canopy, and also the landscaping and flowers, they increase the aesthetic value of the nature and provide us a peaceful environment. Summary. Nursery is a managed site for raising and growing of young seedlings until they are ready for permanent planting or selling. So, nursery is a place designed to produce, grow, and sell the plants. The main objective of the nursery is to supply quality planting material according to the demand. Importance of nurseries. The saplings can be better managed in the nurseries. Nursery saves the time and money of the farmers. Nurseries ensure high germination and uniform growth of saplings. Nurseries supply the planting material for food plants like fruits, vegetables, and cereal crops. Nurseries help in beautification and landscaping. They provide the material for landscaping. Nurseries improve the ecological conditions by carbon sequestration. Nurseries have a high demand because they supply the planting material and it made nursery a profitable business, ensuring high economic returns. And plant nurseries also generate employment for various sectors of labor. Both skilled and unskilled labor get employment through these nurseries. So, this is all about the definition, scope, and importance of plant nurseries. I hope you have understood. Wish you happy learning.